Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing good, and today we are going to start our lecture number 7, and the topic name is individual cultural variable. So starting with the introduction, an individual cultural variable refers to the unique aspects of a person's culture that influence their behaviors, beliefs and values. These can include things like language, traditions, family roles and personal experiences, all shaped by the person's cultural background. Individual cultural variable includes time, space, food, acceptable dress, manners, verbal, non-verbal. First one is time. Time. Attitudes towards punctuality and deadlines. Cultures may be monochronic, time as linear and structured, or polychronic, more flexible and relationship oriented. This refers to how people in different cultures view and use time. Some cultures are very strict about being on time, like in many Western countries, while others are more relaxed, like in some Latin American or African cultures. Then the next one is manner. Manner is how people behave and show respect in social settings. Different cultures may have different ways of greeting, showing politeness, or behaving in public, like bowing in Japan or shaking hands in the US. Next one is space. Space refers to how people use physical space when interacting with others. In some cultures, people like to stand close to each other when talking, while in others, people prefer more personal space. Next one is food. Food customs vary widely between cultures. What people eat, how they eat, and when they eat can be very different. For example, in some cultures it's common to eat with hands, while in other utensils like forks or knives are preferred. Next one is verbal and non-verbal communication. Verbal communication. This is the way people use words to communicate, including language, tone, and style. Different cultures may have different languages or ways of speaking, such as using formal language or casual expressions. Non-verbal communication. This refers to how people communicate with words using things like body language, facial expressions, eye contact, and gestures. For example, in some cultures, making direct eye contact shows respect, while in others, it might be seen as rude. And the last one is acceptable dress. This refers to what is considered appropriate to wear in different cultures. Some cultures have specific dress codes, like wearing modest clothing in certain Middle Eastern countries, while others may have more casual dresses norms. यही था हमारा आज का टॉपिक. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अल्लाह हाफिज़.